I bet you didn't know that speed cleaning red juice can do this. I know, I'm going to introduce you to red juice and I'm going to tell you all about it. Hi there, I'm Angela Brown and this is Ask a House Cleaner. This is a show where you get to ask a house cleaning question and I get to help you find an answer. Now, today's show is brought to us by Speed Cleaning, which is a line of cleaning products. It's eco-friendly. They're safe for your pets. They're safe for people. They're safe for professional house cleaners that are around cleaning chemicals and supplies all day. They are safe for Airbnb hosts and the guests that you have that come stay at your house. So you can leave them available so that they can tidy up after themselves. So Speed Cleaning, you'll find it at speedcleaning.com. All right, on to today's show. I have with me today at this show, I have the co-owner of Speed Cleaning, and she is also an icon in the cleaning industry. This is a woman who has single-handedly done more for the cleaning industry than probably any other person on the planet. This is Debbie Sardone. Debbie is an author. She is a podcaster. She is a blogger, and she runs a private Facebook group. She actually runs a couple of private Facebook groups that are for cleaning business owners, and she helps them develop their business. She's also a cleaning coach. So I asked if she would introduce us to her red juice cleaning product and that she would tell us things that we didn't know. So with the bet you didn't know that speed cleaning red juice can do this, please help me welcome the legendary Debbie Sardone.
You know, I love red juice. I've been using this for over 25 years, and I bought the Speed Cleaning brand several years ago. And I bet you didn't know that red juice, even though it's an all-purpose, completely non-toxic, plant-based cleaner, heavy-duty cleaner, I bet you didn't know that it cleans up wine out of white carpet, as well as makes a fantastic spotter on stained baseball jerseys. So you've seen white baseball jerseys with grass stains that you cannot get the stains out. This takes it out. Red juice. So I have the 16-ounce bottle, the concentrate. It's like less than $1 when you mix up the concentrate per bottle.
Can I use this on all my clothes or can I only use it on baseball jerseys?
You can use it on all your clothes. My husband uses it to spot treat his collars around his shirts because they always get kind of greasy and grimy. And it takes the grease and the dirt and the gray coloring right out of the collar.
Well, I have a question from a professional cleaner's standpoint. A lot of house cleaners, because they clean and they're wearing their uniforms, they have the big under the arm sweats that ruin the uniforms. Can this be used on that?
Yes, it can. In fact, not only does it ruin the uniform, the odor doesn't really come out very well in the wash. So pre-treat that stain under the arm with red juice, and it will improve the odor and the stain.
And how long do you have to pre-treat it for?
Just spray it on there. I like to leave this on for like a minute while I'm pulling and sorting other clothing, throw it in and start the wash.
And so would this also work for like moms that have new babies and they have all that spit up and the burp rags and all that stuff? This will work on their clothes?
Yes, even though it's primarily a safe, non-toxic, all-purpose cleaner for all your cleaning, kitchen countertops and even floors, it works so well on clothing. Yes, you can use it on spit up, carrot stains on the little t-shirts. It works fantastic.
So it is an all-purpose cleaner as well, right?
It is. It's an all-purpose cleaner. That is the primary use. That's how I've used this in my own company for over 25 years. In fact, I think there would be mutiny with my staff if they didn't have this product to clean houses with. But I discovered quite by accident that it's an incredible spot cleaner for clothing and laundry.
Is there anything that it's not safe on? Like, I don't know, stainless steel or granite or anything like that?
Not that I am aware of. So I've got a list right here on the back of the bottle that it is commonly used for, things like countertops, refrigerators, switch plates, toilets, walls, patio furniture, barbecue grills, cars, stovetops, baseboards, boats. So there are so many uses for this product. It's incredible. It is safe. It's non-toxic. It's all natural. It's made with seaweed extract and soybean.
And so what are we looking at? Is this a concentrate or is this a ready-to-use product?
Yep, that's why I'm holding it up for you to see. This is the concentrate, and it makes over 20 bottles. And this is the 16-ounce bottle, which is really handy if you use the Speed Cleaning Apron because you can literally hang the bottles on the loops of the Speed Cleaning Aprons, and they're not so heavy and dangly.
And this is a weird question, but what I'm looking at with the bottle that has the spray on it, is that a label on the bottle that has the ingredients from the concentrate?
It is. It is a label on the bottle. It also has the mixing dilution portions just to make it super easy. You know where to fill the water, where to fill the concentrate, and where to continue to fill the water. So it's kind of a quick, easy reference guide on the back of the bottle.
So then not just for professional house cleaners, but also for homeowners as well.
Exactly. We have about 2/3 of our customers that absolutely cannot live without the red juice are consumers. They love it. But then cleaning companies all over the world want to have their cleaning staff use this because they're exposed to chemicals every single day when they clean. So they want to protect their employees from breathing in the harsh fumes of chemicals by providing them with safe, non-toxic products to clean with.
Well, that brings me to the next question is where do we get it?
Of course you did. I'm so glad you asked. So you can go to speedcleaning.com and just click on the shop online tab, and you'll see red juice, which is our signature heavy duty all purpose non toxic cleaner. But you'll also see blue juice and all the other non toxic shower cleaners, our fabulous stainless steel cleaners, furniture polishes, all kinds of wonderful premium high end products that are green, healthy, and work.
Well, one of the things that I like about this is because it has the label on the bottle, even if you were going to use this inside an Airbnb, for example, if you had this inside a cleaning caddy underneath the sink and a guest were to come, they could look at it and if they didn't know what red juice was, for example, if the label is there, then the instructions are there, the dilution ratios, what you use it for, all that stuff is there. So then it makes it kind of a no brainer to like, oh, hey, I guess I'll clean up after myself.
Exactly. And it also takes the liability out of leaving cleaning products behind for the guests to use. It takes the liability out of potentially a little one or a pet getting into something toxic. So you have something safe that even if somebody misuses it, it's not toxic. And the instructions are on the back to make sure everybody knows how to use it. Blue juice is the glass cleaner, red juice is the all purpose cleaner.
And then that leads me to my last question, which is this available worldwide or do you not ship it except just in the United States?
It is available worldwide. People love this product so much. We have clients in Australia who pay more for the shipping than the product itself because they love it so much. And when you mix up an entire concentrate, it only adds up to be about $1 a bottle. So we do ship it worldwide, but most of the people that purchase speed cleaning products are inside the continental United States.
Alrighty, my friends, and that is Debbie Sardone, and that is red juice. And now you know. Alrighty, so this is so super cool. I'm going to leave links in the show notes so that you guys can go over and check out red juice. And while you're there, check out the blue juice as well. They kind of go tandem, hand in hand. Alrighty, if you found this helpful, please pass it on to a friend. If we've earned your subscription, please subscribe. And until we meet again, leave the world a cleaner place than when you found it.